Spice, complexion intact at 100, working hard for the mixtape, and working up social media in the lead up with bleached out images of herself to make a point, she says, about black hypocrisy.
Society say brown girls prettier.
But back now to selling Captured, whilst VP Records continues to sit on an album.
I was told I would reach further.
Spice rejecting the notion that she'd pretended to bleach as a sales stunt.
It wasn't to sell the mixtape. It was clearly to bring awareness to colorism. That's really what I was attacking. I was attacking colorism, which is something that is affecting, dark-skinned women in Jamaica right now. So it wasn't a stunt and it wasn't anything to sell the mixtape. It was clearly done for, a cause, which is colorism, which exists in Jamaica right now.
Some first reactions to Light Spice admiring. Loving the new look.
There are black people in Jamaica who was commenting on the picture. Whoa, your favorite Barbie, you look good now, one, yeah, and you think turn up. I saw, people, even a man who made a comment and said, "Man, I like Spice, you think turn up now." Like, is that a compliment? Does it mean, So it goes back to show that the issue that I'm attacking in Jamaica right now, black hypocrisy, it's reality.
Yeah, you look like a luxury doll.
Did you enjoy being brown for the day?
You know what? I never enjoy being brown because it was a lot of money spent, a lot of makeup, a lot of bottles. I was wasting a lot of money. And when we tell about like 10 buckle of makeup to do my whole body, so it's not something that I enjoyed. And it was, was very uncomfortable. I couldn't even touch anything because anything I touch it would get sticky or, my makeup would touch it, my clothes would get messy. So it was more costly than enjoying it. I didn't enjoy it at all. I love my complexion. I love the color I'm in. I'm happy within my skin. I love my melanin. I've been living like this for 30 years now, so it's not like I don't love my beautiful skin that I'm in, but I wanted to go through that process. If it means that I had to prove my point, I would have done absolutely anything.
My girl, where you come from, must have magazine.
So bleaching, what does it actually say about the person who does it? How does she feel about lightening up?
A lot of people I saw commenting and they're saying that, when you bleach, it's self-hate because, it's an adjustment to the skin. Everything is an adjustment to your body. I never born with this hair. This is not my real hair. It's also an adjustment. Me do liposuction, my belly too big, me suck out the fat, you understand? It's still an adjustment. So 6 of one half dozen another. You're white, you come to Jamaica, you tan. You get a darker, tone because you may feel like you're too plain. It's not self-hate. It's still an adjustment to the skin. And so one can only imagine when you even bleach your skin and they say it's self-hate, it's still another black hypocrisy.
Brother, me color love the skin that I'm in.
Spice also asked about Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. We've heard you're not coming back.
That's not true. 2019, it comes back March.
Reality TV is the biggest thing.
As for her 19-track mixtape, for which she says she's making 19 music videos, Spice taking a swipe at her label, VP Records.
I feel captured. It has been 10 years now and they've never released an album with me. And so that's how I feel captured. I've been in meetings with them. I've been talking to them with lawyers. They don't want to release an album and they don't want to release me. So I feel captured. That's really how I feel right now. That's why the mixtape is called Captured.
The Captured launch overshadowed on social media by Spice using expletives to tell off a young radio host, then posting it on her Instagram. The apparently set up diss going viral.
Sometimes fans are scared to come up to me, but Grace is subtle, very calm in spirit, easygoing, down to earth, easy to talk to.
Because we talk about the good about black hypocrisy. But you miss that because have people feeding you. Oh, we talk about the good about black hypocrisy and how the strategy is good.
Conversation now has expired, so you can do me a favor.
That for me was not a good way to end that interview or to promote the album, because the album or the mixtape got lost in all of the discussions around this tracing.
Maybe she knew it would, and so she wants to keep the publicity ball rolling, and so she ensured that because she's trending right now, it's worked.
Yes, it works, Anthony. Controversy sells, and a lot of people have been using controversy. And we have in dancehall our very own example of an artist who used controversy multiple times over to keep himself in the top of the eyes of people, the minds of the public, in the media. And what has happened to that artist? Vybz Kartel. He's locked away in prison for 35 years. It's a bad route to take. It creates a negative image around you, and many times it impacts on people who have real power in the society.
So right now people are saying, yes, Spice, you're the queen, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But in the long run?
Well, what happens is that Spice's fans, that she calls them Smurfettes, and other people who are part of the industry, and many of them are congratulating her on social media. She has gotten a lot of applause for tracing Naro off. But one of the things that also happens is that many of these people don't buy music. They are not involved in the industry in any real way. They are the ones who blow you up, as we say in Jamaica, and boost you up, push you out there. The people with real power, and I've been following the discussions on social media, a lot of them are very disappointed. They felt that Spice was trying to transition to do different things with black hypocrisy, and they are writing her off. We are done with her. These are the people who sign checks, who make decisions, not just locally but internationally, and who have real power to impact on her career. And I want Spice and her management to pay attention to some of these things.
So bad move by Spice.
It's a bad move. She could have expressed her disaffection, as she did, with the content of Nightly Fix's discussions about her, and ended it without the trace yourself, trace that, and using the Jamaican favorite way of telling people what to do with their mother.
P.S. There's been a big jump in the Told Off podcast hosts' followers, with more viewers also getting their nightly fix since Spice's rant.